I'm Luc Dammann, President of Adobe for EMEA, and it's great to be here at Adobe AI. As you have heard this morning, we are past the point of debating if AI will change our world. Today, the real questions are how fast, how responsibly, and how much value it will create. So let me start with 3 numbers that capture the moment that we are all in. First, 80% of people now rely on AI-written summaries for nearly half of their online searches. So if you think about it, that's a massive change in behavior. Discovery itself is being rewritten as we speak. Number 2, 70% of companies already have at least one GenAI pilot or production use case live. AI is no longer a side experiment. It is starting to become part of the operating system of business. And third, looking ahead, that's tomorrow, by 2026, 70% of customer interactions will be AI-assisted. This transition, if you think about it, is moving faster than any technology cycle that we have seen in decades. So, what do these numbers tell us? AI is profoundly transforming 3 things: how people discover and choose brands, big time, how companies operate, and how teams create and deliver value. Models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Mistral AI now give consumers instant access to personalized and relevant information. And to stay competitive, every company has to rethink its entire approach to customer engagement, from storytelling and search to creativity, commerce, and productivity. AI is now fully mainstream, and consumers have already changed their behavior. They are not just researching with AI. They are clicking, they are buying, they are making decisions that are powered by AI-generated recommendations, and they are having conversations about your brands through LLMs. Let me share a personal example from just this Black Friday weekend. I bought an appliance, actually bought a robot vacuum cleaner for my home, so I know not very exciting. But I don't know anything about this type of product, and I ended up buying an appliance from a brand that never heard of before. All this through a conversation I had with ChatGPT. It compared models, it explained why one was the best fit for my home. It told me the brand was innovative and reliable, I had never heard of it, and it recommended I buy directly from them, which I did from my couch in like less than 30 minutes. So my point is simple. Many of these decisions now happen before a human ever sees you. Your brand is no longer discovered only by people, but also by the agents acting on their behalf. So the urgency to adapt is very real, but so is the opportunity for companies with the right foundation. Across Europe, we have now moved from experimentation to outcomes. You heard it this morning, where speed has become a strategic differentiator. And every CEO I speak with is remarkably consistent in their expectations. They are done with pilots. They want real productivity gains, measurable cost takeout, and faster go-to-market. They want AI to drive top-line impact through ultra-personalized experiences at scale that retain and attract customers. And they want all this with enterprise-grade governance and brand safety, which is, of course, non-negotiable. And if customers' behavior is changing this fast, then the experiences you deliver must change even faster. Because this is where AI is already shifting the game entirely. The customer experience rulebook is being rewritten in real time right now. The question is not whether conversational AI is the future. Your customers have already decided that for you. Gartner expects traditional website traffic to drop by 50% by 28, as AI-powered search becomes the default in the way people find brands. So the real question is, are you owning the conversation, or is someone else owning it for you? Customers now expect interactions that are simple, personal, two-way, in one interface that feels natural, instant, and relevant. And that's where generative AI and agentic AI make this possible. They allow brands to deliver true one-on-one experiences that feel conversational and that inspire action, just like what happened to me this weekend. And here's the key shift. Don't think of AI or LLM as just a new interface. Think of them as the first consumer of your brand, shaping what people see before they ever show up. So to deliver on these new hyper-personalized experiences, you need content at massive scale. So let's get concrete about what this means for marketing teams. A single global campaign today can require more than 500,000 assets. That sounds huge, but actually that's increasingly common. No team on earth, no matter how good they are, can scale that manually. There is absolutely no way. So chief marketing officers are currently under tremendous pressure to keep up with the exponential demand for high-quality content, and this is exactly where AI changes the game and transforms the entire model by streamlining the end-to-end content supply chain with AI-powered ideation at scale to production and activation of content in real time. AI turns the content supply chain from what is a bottleneck today into a content velocity engine that delivers measurable impact and moves the business. We see real concrete results here. Production cycles cut from months to days, literally, which means record time to market. Less friction and more time for what truly matters. The bold creative work that makes your brand stand out. The strategy that wins. And finally, personalization at scale is becoming real and at reach. Creativity stays human. AI is just the amplifier. It gives scale, it gives speed, it gives precision, making every customer interaction more personal, more meaningful, and in the end, more human. And the impact doesn't stop with creativity and content. We're shifting from a resource-constrained manual workflow to high-productivity agentic environments, where AI assistants support every part of the process. All inside the tools your teams already use, supporting faster, smarter decisions every day. And the results are clear. 66% of companies using AI agent report measurable productivity gains, according to PwC. So let me bring this to life with 3 companies that rely on Adobe capabilities to maximize impact at scale. First, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses Adobe's platform to power one of the world's most complex marketing machines you can think of. With Adobe Firefly, they generate on-brand content at scale 10 times faster than they used to. By streamlining their content production and compliance process, they boosted revenue by 35% and they checked out conversion by 24%, all this without $1 of increased spend on content. So that is AI turning into real ROI. Real Madrid, one of my favorites in the world of sports and fan engagement. Real Madrid now revolutionizes the fan experience for 600 million supporters in real time at a scale that only AI can unlock. With Adobe's platform, they deliver hundreds of targeted campaigns and 500 million personalized email each year, driving record global engagement because that's what it's about. And finally, L'Oréal, the world's largest beauty brand, uses AI to create thousands of on-brand assets in seconds across its entire global portfolio. With Adobe Firefly custom model, the company has increased content production by 30% while improving quality and accelerating creative experimentation, which is so key as well. So these great companies, as you can see, are not experimenting anymore. They are operationalizing AI, and they're already building competitive advantage. And at these examples, AI is completely reshaping what's possible. But here is the thing. None of this works without a strong agentic AI foundation that is built on high-quality unified data. We heard that just before. If your data is siloed or messy, you simply cannot scale AI. LLMs are only as good as the data they rely on. And according to Gartner, 85% of AI projects that fail is because of poor data quality. So the call to action here is simple. 1, clean and unify your data. 2, connect your content to that data to build the relevance. and tie your workflows to the customer journey. That's how you scale responsibly, AI, and effectively. And this is exactly where Adobe helps, by enabling standard content creation, real-time personalization, and AI-powered productivity through our platforms and solutions. We think that general purpose AI is not enough. We have built a most comprehensive agentic foundation that is purpose-built to amplify experiences, creativity, and productivity with a purpose that is really to amplify that. Our agents are enterprise-ready and built to integrate seamlessly into marketing and creative workflows to enable truly exceptional customer experiences. According to simple principle, responsible by design, models trained only on licensed data for commercial safety use, workflow native integration for fast adoption in existing systems. So to conclude, if there is one thing I want you to take away today, it is optimism. AI is moving incredibly fast, and across Europe I've seen how it accelerates organizations that embrace it. Those who move now aren't just improving efficiency, they are defining the next era of customer experience. AI won't just help you move faster, it will help you build the future your customers expect. And when AI is built around your brand, your creativity, and your workflows, which is our approach, it stops being a tool and becomes a force multiplier. Thank you.